These are their new honey mustard infused chips. I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure that's what they're called. They taste better than the honey mustard Lays. I give these a 9 out of 10. I'm using an environmentally friendly straw. You know, gotta protect the environment. You know. I rate this cherry berry Sprite a 9 out of 10. I really like the cherryness it has in it and the spriteness. This makes no sense. And yeah, this is the pretzel cheddar club. Well, I need to add the creamy Dijon. Or to come out. All right. Say some of that. Go. I give this a 7.5 out of 10. Very good. I like how the creamy Dijon helps the sandwich. I like the pretzel bun too. Very good.